Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for industrial plant and machinery business. Suppose as the owner of industrial plant and machinery business, I use AI assistant to handle product inquiry, share machinery specs and provide pricing details. We can automate this process with the help of AI agent. When user send a message, the AI assistant automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create AI assistant for your industrial plant and machinery business. First of all, let me show you the AI assistant setup and we also know how it responds. So this is AI instruction, knowledge source, assistant interface and styling. With the help of these features, we are going to create our AI assistant. Firstly, we check responses and after that we learn how we can create this AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Simply open our WhatsApp dashboard and type, "Can you provide me plant details?" After typing, you will see I am getting a response. After that, I am typing, "Share me our product and services." After typing, you will see I am getting another response. Now we typing warranty and support. After typing, I am getting another response. So you will see I am getting one by one responses from AI agent. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. Further move, I show you firstly Pabbly Business Community. Join Pabbly Community and grow your business with great leaders. If you have any query or stuck somewhere else on automations, feel free to ask our great leaders and connect one-to-one by using Pabbly Community. You can also ask queries like this and get instant solution by using Pabbly Community. So just simply click on Join Pabbly Community and make connections with great leaders. Further, we move on and learn how we create AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Simply we will open our browser and type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options, WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID and select the folder and simply click on Next. After clicking Next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on Accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section, we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have Contact field. In this field, we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we simply click on AI assistant. We are going to create our new AI assistant. Simply click on add AI assistant and enter the assistant name AI assistant for your industrial plants and machinery business. Now simply click on add AI assistant. After clicking, we have an interface like this. Now we simply set up our AI assistant. We have an option AI instructions. Simply select the instructions type. AI agent. After selecting AI agent, providing the instructions. Now we have an option AI configuration. Now select the temperature. I'm select the default temperature 0.5. If you want to increase or decrease temperature range according to your needs, you can easily do. Now we have an option select AI to use. Now I am selecting OpenAI. After selecting, we have another option select model. Now I am selecting GPT 4.1. After that we have an option API token. Now I am generating API token. Simply click on OpenAI API key page. Now Now we simply click on create new secret key and enter our business name, industrial plants and machinery business, and select project type default project and simply click on create secret key. After clicking generating the API token, now simply click on copy and paste the API token section and simply click on connect. After clicking connect, we have an pop-up OpenAI key saved successfully. Now we have an option AI assistant setting, header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempt, fallback message. You can customize your message according to your needs. Recently I am off all toggle buttons except fallback message. Now we have an option knowledge source. Now in this we upload the knowledge source in the TXT format. Simply click on it and simply select the file. So here you see we are successfully upload our knowledge source in the TXT format. And what is knowledge source? I'll show you the overview of our knowledge source which I generated. Knowledge source is the summary of our business which helps AI assistant to answer the user's query. Now we have an option assistant interface. Now we enter header display heading name, industrial plants and machinery business. So here you see also changes in our WhatsApp interface. Now we have an option header display subheading name, initial message, display the powered by Pabbly label. In this we have an option enable or disable. We keep it as it is. Now we have an option footer text, footer link, user first message. We can customize user first message according to our need. Now we have an option styling. Simply click on it. After clicking we have an option theme mode, light and dark. We keep it light. Now we have an option assistant shape, assistant background color, assistant text color, background color, WhatsApp buttons color, header profile picture, assistant profile picture, background picture. Now we simply enable the toggle button and click on save AI assistant. Now we go to our inbox section and simply add AI assistant on our WhatsApp. Simply on the toggle button and select AI assistant for your industrial plants and machinery business and simply click on save. So we are successfully adding AI assistant on our WhatsApp. Now we simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and check it is working or not. Now we simply type equipment we supply. After typing you will see I am getting a response. So we are successfully creating AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any query then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.